if it's something you feel led to, it is a powerful, powerful thing to bring before the Lord in those moments of friction where you're like, I'm not getting there. I'm stuck. Break me through this. And now maybe we need to look, because of Isaiah 58, where can we employ fasting as a discipline to bring breakthrough for others, whether fasting on another's behalf. Think about someone in your life who's sick, someone in your life who's in a really hard place, whether fasting for others or employing fasting that you might be transformed to be more and more the hands and feet of Jesus. Okay? So we're going to look to the Lord to transform our hearts. We're going to recognize that fasting can be a way to pray without ceasing. It can be a way to recognize that when I am weak, then I am strong. It can be a way to live the life of the branch, fully submitting even our most basic needs before the Father. And most of all, we're going to trust the Holy Spirit's voice within us to lead us to do or not do this practice when He calls.